guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Melinda Brooke for any of you who are new. Thank you for stopping by. Today I am doing a get ready with me for work because when I went to Ulta to find like a new foundation or CC cream that I wanted to try, I was looking for something that was gonna be not too harsh because I am wearing a mask all day long, but still cover up some blemishes, but then still keep me like hydrated, like maybe with some skincare, but like didn't irritate my skin, because I don't know about you guys, but wearing a mask with makeup on is like the worst feeling in the world. So I didn't want to feel like that cakiness on my skin. So what I did was I went to Ulta, I asked them, I basically told them like everything I was looking for, and they gave me this. Now it's by Juice Beauty, it's called the Organic Solution. This is the Stem Cellular CC Cream, and I really wanted to do a get ready with me just to kind of give my first impressions on this, and then I'll come back after work and let you know how it goes. So this is kind of like a get ready with me slash foundation review and try on. So if you guys are interested to see how this product works or feels on for the day and might be something you want to try out, make sure to keep on watching. Hit that subscribe button down below to come join my big crazy family. Hit that like button if you end up liking this video, and let's cue the intro music and get right into the video because I'm gonna be late for work. Okay, so again, I got this at Ulta Beauty. It does have SPF 30, which I'm so happy about. It also does have like skincare in it. It is organic, mineral tint coverage.
Rich with antioxidants, protects with mineral SPF 30, smooths uneven texture, creates a radiant glow, complexion, even skin tone.
Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Like, this is everything that it does, apparently. It is, I did find out it is organic, it is clean. It's like a clean brand, and it does have skincare in it, so that's really nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have like these little, I don't know what you call them, like, they're not scars, they're just like little red dots on my face. I don't know what they are, but you know, I like to cover that up. So I'm going to put my coverage on first, like cover up any of those like blemishes, then I'll put the foundation on. I do want to say that the foundation was $40, so it is a little bit pricier. It is a pretty good amount though. It's like a pretty good tube. It's 1.7 flow ounces, and I do really like the applicator. Like, it's really cool. It's not a pump. Focus. It's not a pump, but I feel like I could like put this right under my eyes exactly where I wanted it. So I really like that. So first I'm going to go ahead with my Morphe concealer. This is in the shade C1.65. I'm just going to cover up those blemishes and brighten my under eye. Honestly though, do you guys feel the same way, like when it comes to wearing makeup at, like when you go out and like you have to wear a mask for so long? Like, I'm at work wearing a mask for 8 hours a day. So like, I stopped wearing makeup because it was just so irritating on my skin. And then you take your mask off and it's like all your makeup is on your mask, and it's just such a waste of product. So I was really looking for something that feels good on the skin, isn't going to like make me have maskne or break out. Wow, my nose is so red. It's even redder now because I just blew my nose, but it's okay, we'll cover that up. Anyway, so I was really looking for something that was going to give me kind of like coverage but still keep me moisturized. I will say that I don't normally wear a lot of coverage when it comes to foundation. I'm more of a light to medium and then like build it up if I need to. So I'm pretty sure this is like a light to medium coverage. It is a CC cream, so it's like, CC stands for color correction, but let's see if it's buildable. Now, as you can see, my face looks like very dewy. using the beauty blender, it really kind of helped with that dewy, oily type look that I have. I will say it feels so good on the skin. It's just like so light and like, holy cow. And it smells so good. Like, I feel like my face smells good. The packaging does say it gives you that radiant glowy complexion, so it does have that like sheen like look to it. As you can see, like I literally look like I'm glowing in the light. But I don't mind that because I have drier skin. I will say if you have oily skin, this might not be the best bet for you, just because to put something that's gonna make you look like dewy while having oily skin might not work. You definitely want to try something more mattifying. If we come in close, I don't know if you can tell, but it did a pretty good job covering over my concealer. Again, I did put concealer before just because that's how I kind of cover my blemishes. So it does help. I feel like if I didn't put the concealer before, it would still show a little bit and I would have to put more on. So let me put a little bit more on just to see if it has like that buildable quality to it. Okay, so I wouldn't say that it's like it definitely builds a little bit, but I wouldn't say that it's ever gonna be like that full coverage that you're looking for. It's definitely a light coverage. Again, it is a CC cream, so that makes sense. If you have like blemishes you really care about covering, you might want to opt for like a more medium to fuller coverage, or if you're okay with putting your concealer on first and then putting the foundation or the CC cream over it, that might be a better bet. But it's definitely like really nice on the skin. It looks like, I like the way it makes my skin look like glowy and radiant. Like I look like I don't actually have foundation on. There are still some cover spots that I might want to just touch up, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my face makeup on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done putting on the rest of my face. As you can see, it looks really good with like the rest of my face makeup. I will say that I use a lot of liquids. So for example, I use liquid concealer, liquid blush, and then I set it all with a setting powder. And then sometimes I might just enhance the color a little bit with like a little bit more blush or powder blush, and then some like highlight. I try to use not as many powders because I feel like powder makes me feel really cakey. So I will say that I feel really light. I don't feel like I have a lot of makeup on at all. I think that using liquids helps with that, but the foundation's definitely helping with that feeling as well. I did go in with my concealer just like a little bit before I finished off my face, just to kind of add a little bit more coverage to those little blemish areas. But otherwise, it looks really good. I'm really liking it. But we'll have to see how it holds up. I'll come back after work and I'll let you know how it goes. Hey guys, okay, so I am finally home from my long day. I think it's been about 12 hours. It's about 10 o'clock right now at night, so yeah. But, so I've had this foundation on all day. I want to kind of just zoom in a little bit. So I don't know if you guys can like really tell, but there's definitely blemishes coming through that I had from the foundation. See? So I would definitely want to touch up my face if I had like my foundation on me or like my makeup with me, just so that it would still look like flawless. I will say it did a really good job covering like for the most part I should say, considering I don't wear that much makeup anyway. I couldn't even tell that I was wearing like makeup all day with my mask on, which is really nice because normally I feel like so bad because I can feel like all the makeup on my face and just like it's the worst feeling. So I love that like I didn't have that with this. Also, my mask from today like literally had barely any makeup on it, which is crazy because normally when I wear normal foundation and like my makeup, I have so much makeup on my mask. It's like kind of not okay. So it didn't really transfer, which was really nice to see it actually stay on my face. I will say that I do wish it could be a little bit more of a buildable like foundation, but since it is just a CC cream, I understand why it's like lighter coverage. But other than that, honestly, I kind of really liked it. I think it held up pretty well. For the most part, I'm definitely gonna give it like an 8 out of 10 just because it feels really good with the mask on. It didn't irritate my face. It's so light. It smells so good. And the price isn't too bad for the amount that you get. Again, if you have oily skin or you want like a more fuller coverage foundation, then this is not probably the best option for you. But yeah, so that is my review on this product. Just in case anyone was wondering, I got the color Beach Glow, and it's like the perfect shade for me. There's like maybe 8 shades max. So it's definitely not something for everybody to try. I would say that's definitely a downfall, but I really liked it. I think it worked for me. I will link it in the description box for you guys. Otherwise, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Thanks for coming along with me on this little journey of mine. And I'll see you guys on Friday. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, bye.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.